If you're thinking to open a business, don't tell nobody. I know what you're going to think. You're going to be like, oh, I'm going to ask my cousin or other entrepreneurs, my mom, my dad. But guess what you're going to do? You're going to spend so much time and energy talking to people and actually hearing mostly negative thoughts, because people that don't own a business, they're going to tell you don't open one because they're scared of the unknown and they don't have experience. People that have a business, they're going to motivate you, but most of the time they're going to close the door on you because they know everybody loves to support. So don't ask anybody, don't overthink it, just do it, start it, and then learn and think as you go. But before you do that, make sure that you realize that for a business to grow and make money in return, at least 1 or 2 years will be hard. So if you don't have enough savings to provide your family yourself for 2 years minimum, then maybe you shouldn't start a business. You should start as a side hustle on the weekends or after working hours, and then when it becomes a certain time that you're like, hey, now I'm ready to quit, now you can quit. So are you thinking to start a business? Feel free to book a 1-hour strategy session with me. I'd love to direct you the right way, mistakes that I did that you shouldn't do, and what you need to do to get started with minimal spend and growing the business using social media marketing.